Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily fill out IRS Form 8962. That's the premium tax credit form used if you bought health insurance through the marketplace. So, first is, of course, gather your documents. You're going to need Form 1095A, which the marketplace sends you. It shows the months you had coverage and the premium amounts. Next is just enter in your basic information, starting with your family size, your household income, and the federal poverty line percentage you fall into. Use the instructions or IRS tables if you're unsure. Next is proceed to part 2, or the premium tax credit claim and reconciliation of advanced payment of premium tax credit. Transfer the monthly amounts from Form 1095A, columns A, B, and C into Form 8962. Calculate your monthly credit by subtracting your expected contribution from the benchmark premium. Next is fill out part 3 and part 4 if needed. These parts handle alternative calculations if you had coverage changes, married during the year, or need to allocate premiums. And lastly, in part 5, figure out whether you get an additional refund or owe back some of the advance credit payments. And once done, make sure that you attach this Form 8962 to your tax return before you file. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!